welcome to our video on tips for crafting a visually appealing and easy to read resume. In today's competitive job market, it's important to make sure that your resume stands out and catches the attention of hiring managers. In this video, we will be discussing some key tips and tricks for creating a visually appealing and easy to read resume that will help you land your dream job. So let's start the video. Before this, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then subscribe to this channel so that new videos can reach you. We will cover everything you need to know to create a resume that will make a lasting impression. So, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Here are some tips for crafting a visually appealing and easy to read resume. Keep it clean and simple. Use a clear and easy to read font like Arial or Calibri and avoid using overly decorative or complex formatting. Use white space effectively. Leave plenty of white space on the page, which will make your resume look more organized and easy to read. Use bullet points. Use bullet points to list your achievements, experiences and responsibilities. It will be easy to read and understand. Use action words. Use powerful action words such as managed, developed, created to describe your experience and achievements. Use headings and subheadings. Use headings and subheadings to break up the text and make it easier to scan. Use infographics. Use infographics such as charts, graphs, and icons to showcase your skills and accomplishments. Use color. Use color sparingly to make your resume more visually appealing. Use color in the headings or to highlight important information. Use a consistent layout. Keep the layout of your resume consistent throughout. This will make it easy to read and understand. Tailor your resume. Tailor your resume to the job you are applying for. This will make it more effective. Proofread. Make sure to proofread your resume for spelling and grammar errors. This will give a good impression of your attention to detail. Keep it concise. Limit your resume to 1 or 2 pages, as hiring managers often have to review many resumes and may not have time to read a longer document. Use clear section headings. Use clear section headings such as education, work experience, and skills to help hiring managers quickly find the information they need. Use consistent formatting. Use consistent formatting for section headings, bullet points, and other elements to make your resume look polished and professional. Highlight key information. Use bold or italic text to highlight important information such as your job title, company name, and dates of employment. Use a professional profile photo, if appropriate. Include a professional profile photo on your resume to make it more personal and engaging. Tailor your resume to the job. Tailor your resume to the specific job or industry you are applying to by highlighting relevant skills and experiences. Use keywords. Use keywords related to the job you are applying for throughout your resume to increase its chances of being noticed by hiring managers. Use a modern design. Use a modern and professional design that reflects your personal brand and makes your resume stand out. Use a clean format. Use a clean format which will help the resume look more professional and easy to read. Test it before finalizing your resume. Test it by printing it out or sending it to a friend for feedback.